In the first lesson of this course, I tell you about who is entrepreneur. I'm sure that you heard about even few entrepreneurs who achieve success, but let's check who is entrepreneur and which character trait entrepreneur should has. But we start from the other side. Now we talk about people who work for somebody, so they have work and they go to this work every day. It's normal, of course, because billions of people all over the world have full-time or part-time job. Now look how many your friends and members your family work for somebody. Maybe you also work on full-time job, but you want to change it. Okay, now I focused on people who have normal jobs. But there is a group of people who don't want to work for other people because they have idea how to become boss for themselves. They have many ideas and many plans how to build business and develop their skills. I tell about entrepreneurs, but you have to know that we have two kinds of entrepreneurs. In my opinion, the word entrepreneur doesn't show everything about business, so now I want to divide this word because it's requirement to broader view on entrepreneurship. In the first group, we have entrepreneurs who create something new. They have idea which never was found before and they want to introduce quite new product or service on market. They like big risk because it's difficult to place yourself to market which doesn't exist in this moment. In the second group, we have entrepreneurs who want to extend existing products or services. They have ideas how to improve some areas and they want to introduce their plans into lives of people who want to receive this product. I noticed that amount of entrepreneurs from second group is larger than first group. Okay, but now I tell you about second topic in this lesson, which character traits the entrepreneur should have. We know that this profession is very difficult. We have to know in which direction our market go on and we have to adjust our offer to our customers. First, very important trait is self-assertion. We have to know what is good for us and we have to know when we should say no. Of course, it's kind of art using self-assertion very well, but of course we don't focus on this topic deeper in this course. Now we have activity and dynamics. Of course, I didn't say that you have to run to and fro, but I mean be online with every trend which was founded in your business branch. You have to adjust very quick to gather new customers. Next is motivation. It's clear that this is impossible to maintain motivation every day, 365 days in full year, but there is very important want to achieve success in long-term period, because I'm sure that you don't reach success in first week your business. It's sad, but true. Then you should be altruist. You should give high quality value to your customers. At the beginning, there is a good chance that you give this value for free, but if you keep these customers near your company, you earn money later, I'm sure. If you want to be a great entrepreneur, you have to be self-confident. Your voice must be strong, your mind must be clear, and your movements must be concrete. There is a simple recipe to be self-confident, but many people forget about it. Let's conduct a small experiment. I will read text like a person who's diffident and confident. First, diffident. Hi, my name is Mariusz. I come from Poland. I want to be the best video courses creator. And confident. Hi, my name is Mariusz. I come from Poland and I want to be the best video courses creator. You probably hear difference between these people. Very important thing is that entrepreneurship is a tough game. It's very difficult to stand out on market in these days and you will work not 8 hours per day but 12 or more hours. It's a very difficult path, but it brings so much of joy. Okay, in this lesson we talk about kinds of entrepreneurship and which character traits entrepreneurs should have to be successful people with great products, happy customers and many money on bank account.